Hello, I'm Mo.
Hi, I'm Katie.
Hey, I'm Hannah.
Can you imagine being in a tiny space with the same 5 people for 2 years?
We have been studying a project with this topic for a while. We're going to share some of our learning with you.
One part we are going to share with you is how the human body behaves when it is in space.
The human body goes through many changes physically and mentally in space.
Our project is specifically about the mental alterations. When someone decides to become an astronaut, they also decide to leave their family and friends on Earth.
Most of the astronauts bring family memorabilia with them to space to reduce some of the sadness and depression.
NASA has to choose people who work together.
They are studying these experiments on Earth as well.
They have small pods on Earth called habitats that pre-astronauts go on for 30 days to 3 months.
Who would you choose to go to space with?